Hello, hello. Hi, mabuhay ba ako? Pamanaw, mahaba pa ang buhay, mga ka-barber, mga ka-sweet girl. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And yes, this is it, Pansit Puset. Ang sweet girl lang tondo nyo ay celebrating my brother's birthday. It was so January 16, and it was so cool having this commotion. Ayan lang, ganyan lang, sweet girl lang tondo, kanto-kanto lang. Kanto-kanto. Huwag ka lang kakanto, eme. At kung bago ka pa sa akin channel, don't forget to hit the notification bell para update sa mga upcoming videos. And don't forget mga ka-barber to like, share, and subscribe. So ayun na nga, kung meron kayong mga drama, hinaing, papahula, komento, just comment down below. Libre bashers tayo. So, it was a simple commotion ng pagbati sa brother ng happy birthday. Kanto lang. Dito naman ginagawa. Fundador, baka naman Dumeko. Ayan, we're drinking Fundador for his celebration. They have the pulutan. Chicharon para malutong. Ha! Bless! Ha! Pakak! So, ayun na nga. I'm here in our home sweet home. It was our house, or I can say it's a home. Oo, ganyan lang. Being sweet girl lang tondo. Pa-sweet pusit lang talaga ang mga eksena natin sa life. Again, we're celebrating the birthday to have the privilege and para magsaya-saya lang. Pagaanin natin ang emote ng drama ng life. So, ganun lang yung emote dito. Tapos, tahimik naman yung kalsada. And, ganito lang yung simpleng celebration ng sweet girl ng tondo sa pagbati. Hi, Miss Claudine! Sa pagbati ng kaarawan. Medyo pausang sweet girl lang tondo. Pero, to have chillin and to have good vibe. Ayan, ganyan lang. So, ito yung bahay namin. It was so simple. A humble home, I can say it's a house. Yes. Dinalapihan. Bali, we have our 4-story building. It was color yellow. And with a simple life, to be happy and contented about everything we own. Being sweet girl lang tondo, it was hard to find. It was hard to do whatever we take in life. Otsik bolo, konsye, konsipat say ni how. I can say 9 dialect to make. So, ganyan lang. Pa-sweet lang ang sweet girl lang tondo with the Fundador Dumeko. Baka naman. So, ayan yung brother ko celebrating with Iron Man. And they have the tropa. So, gumagawa ang pala yung brother ko ng motor. Tortor. Ganyan lang yung emote so far. And having the good commission for a day, for a living, and to have chill. Actually, itong part ng brand na to, medyo maganda rin talaga yung brandy. It was good for the heart. Pag gin naman, kwang, 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 kwang. Pag Red Horse naman, ninipa. And ayoko po ng beer na beer, or kaya beer Pilsen, kasi inuming pang matanda. Wag naman pa man. It is a simple celebration to make. Ayan, ang importante tayo, nagditiwang. Magarbo man ito at sumosobra, ang importante yung saya ng pagdiriwang. How grateful are you to give, forget, and to get what you have. Siguro one thing I can say, being sweet girl ng tondo, Huwag mong i-claim. Antayin mong i-honor ka. That's our life to find out. Cheers to everyone. Cheers to us. Being a gift of life. Being a gift of life. We have to be happy and contented on what we have. But this is just mind matters and everything. It was our time to fight for, to intend for the productivity. Papasok lahat yan. Sa buhay, kailangan natin magsipag. Hindi ka pwedeng tumambay o tumulala. Kailangan meron kang gawain para sa kabuhayan ng pang-araw-araw. Mahirap maging isang kahig tuka. And ipagpatuloy lang natin. GMRC sana bumalik. Pero kung wala man, it was a good moral and right conduct. Well, ayan, utol ko, busy-busy yan. Tol, happy birthday! Oh, busy niya. So, ganun lang yung emote for everyday living. It was a vlog. Sa naniniwala, salamat po at mahal ko kayo. Ano ba yung pasasalamat ko kung paano? Toda Riva, Jerusalem, Aistemas, Japan, Ni Hao, Chinese, Oui, Muy bien, Espanyol, Sawadika, Thailand, Anyong, Korea. Well, kahit ano pang dialect, it was to be loved. Mahal ko kayo. And siya, toksya, kansa kamila. Siya, yalla. Kalas. Daghang salamat. Yalla.